Find the area of the region D bounded by the polar axis and the upper half of the cardioid R is equal to 1 plus cosine theta. So if we consider the bounds for R, then it is going to be from 0 up to 1 plus cosine theta. So R is between 0 and 1 plus cosine theta. What about theta? We are considering only the upper half of this cardioid. So theta is from 0 to, for 0 it will be 2, from 0 to pi. Theta is from 0 to pi. If you consider the the full cardioid, then you may just say 0 to 2 pi, but for this case we will say 0 to pi for the upper half of the cardioid. So the area of this region will be the integral of 1, which is 1 dA over the region D, where D is the half cardioid. So remember, if you use polar coordinates, you replace dA with r dr d theta. So theta is from 0 to pi, and r is from 0 to 1 plus cosine theta, and we want to integrate r dr d theta. This is what the A is in terms of polar coordinates. So if you start from the inner integral, you will get r squared over 2 from 0 to 1 plus cosine theta. So this is going to be, for 0 it is 0, for 1 plus cosine theta it will be 1 plus cosine theta squared over 2, which is 1 over 2 plus 2 cosine theta over 2, you will get cosine theta, plus cosine square theta over 2. Remember, to integrate even powers of sine or cosine, we use power reduction formulas. So we just say cosine 2 theta is 2 cosine square theta minus 1. So we will replace cosine square theta with cosine 2 theta plus 1 over 2. 2 theta plus 1 over 2. So if we replace cosine square theta with this expression, then it will be something like this. Cosine 2 theta plus 1 over 2, so it will be over 4. So you may say the result of the inner integral is 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4, which is 3 over 4. So 0 to pi, we have 3 over 4 plus cosine theta plus cosine 2 theta over 4. d theta. If we integrate with respect to theta, it is going to be 3 theta over 4 plus sine theta plus sine 2 theta over 2, and we have another over 4, so it will be over 8, from 0 to pi. Well, sine pi is 0, sine 0 is 0, sine 2 pi is 0, So this part will give us nothing. You will get just 3 pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, and the others will just disappear. So 3 pi over 4 is the area of half cardioid. If we want to, calculate the full area, then you will just say 3 pi over 2, just multiply by 2. For some other questions, for this one it is not necessary, but sometimes r is negative, so you may need to split the integral into 2 pieces, but not for this one. Please visit the website for a categorized list of my YouTube videos. It is given below in the definition of the video. Subscribe and like.